Hey guys, Emily here with Aloware, and today we're talking about a new release on our website, our SMS Length Calculator. If you've ever been confused on why SMS have limitations or why you got billed the way you did, don't worry, we're going to cover it all. On our website, you'll see our calculator. It's super easy to use. All you have to do is copy, paste, and optimize. That's really it. So on the right, you'll see your segment count, message length, and encoding type, along with the price estimate. In case you're not familiar with all of these terms, let's cover it real quick. SMS was built to be reliable and efficient, and because of that, there's limits. The important thing to know is that SMS are made up of segments, and segments have character limits. The max length is dependent on the encoding type, and the encoding type is dependent on the characters you use. Now, if you're feeling overwhelmed, the good news is that there's only 2 encoding types you have to know about, and our calculator detects it for you. The quick overview is that there's GSM7, which is the standard for basic messages. It can contain up to 160 characters and supports most Latin-based languages, like English. The other encoding type is UCS2, which is used when GSM7 isn't sufficient. And this type can only contain up to 70 characters, but the upside is this type supports special characters, like emojis. Remember when I said earlier that your messages are segmented? I want to point out that that's not how the recipient sees them. So even though the carriers are segmenting your messages, they're then getting reassembled back so that to the recipient, they're one singular message. Now let's copy and paste an example message into our calculator and try it out. You'll see when I paste my message, it's automatically detected as UCS2 and made up of 5 segments. This is because my message includes emojis. Let's take them out and see what happens. As you can see, the emojis looked great, but they did make a big difference. My message has switched to GSM7, allowing longer segments and bringing that count down to 2. Not only did my segment count go down, but so did my price estimate. We just got some insight into a message we were planning to send to help understand how our message composition affects our costs. So, keep track of your character counts and estimate costs up front by using our SMS calculator.